Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be creating this colorful look. This is definitely out of my comfort zone. If you guys want to see how I did achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Just keep on watching.
The soundtrack to my life. The soundtrack to my life. To my life. To my life.
I did went ahead and I did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids and my eyebrows. I used the Anastasia pomade in the shade Chocolate and my Anastasia brush 12 to do my eyebrows, and I used the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 to clean them and prime my eyelids. I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I am gonna use this shade as my transition shade with my Morphe E22 brush. And I will use this just to apply it to my crease. And basically this will be the shade that will help blend all the other colors that I will be using in my eyelids to help them smooth out and there be no fine lines. Now I'm gonna go with my palette, the Masquerade by Juvias. And I'll be using the shade Sobo. And I'm going to be using my tap out the excess, and I'm just gonna apply this on the outer corner of my eyelid. Gonna go back with the brush that I used for my transitions. I'm not going to apply any additional color, but I'm just gonna use it to be able to blend both of the two colors. You will be going back and forth a lot with the shades just to make sure you get the color that you're looking for, or get the color payout that you're trying to get for your eyelid. I'll be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to just put some at the back of my hand, and I will be using my Luxie brush in number 211 to do a cut crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with my Stella Fine Metals Glitter and Glow in the shade Smoldering Satin. And I'm just gonna apply that where I did the cut crease. I'm gonna go back to the Solo shade to blend it in all together. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and for mascara I will be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Now I will be applying false lashes. I will be using the Adele Wispies Duo Adhesive Eyelash Glue. I do wait till it gets a bit tacky, so I do wait like 30 seconds. I'll be spraying my face with the Badusco Skincare Facial Spray. I'll be using my two favorite primers, the Super Glory One Heck of a Blot and my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. First, we're going to start with the Smashbox one, and just using two pumps, just going to apply it all over my face. Then on the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot, I will be focusing this on my T-zone area, which is where I do tend to get more oily throughout the day. For foundation, I will be going in with my Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Macaroon. And I will be using my Morphe E6 brush to apply my foundation. So for concealer, I will be using the KKW Concealer in the shade 5. And to blend everything in, I will be using my Morphe sponge. Going in with the KKW Setting Powder. I will be using a new bronzer slash contour from Morphe, and it is in the shade Blogger. We'll be getting some of the baking powder from KKW, kind of clean out my contour, make it a bit sharper. I'm just going to use a Morphe R38 brush just to kind of contour my nose a bit. Now for my bottom lash line, I am gonna go back with the Masquerade palette, and I'm going to use this color, Shy. So for a winter blush set, and I will be going in this shade. Don't know the name, so don't ask me. NYX Brow Mascara to kind of set my eyebrows and kind of make it look a bit more natural. Back again with my Badusco facial spray. Love this. The Morphe Babe in Paradise highlighting palette, and I'm going to use Get Lit and Chiho. Gonna mix both of these with my Morphe 423, Morphe 438, Morphe 38. Just apply it on the corner. And I'm gonna go in with a Morphe E36 brush, and I'm gonna go with a lighter shade, and I'm just going to use this to kind of put it on my teardrop. This is the when you're feeling your makeup dance. Ooh. No. Okay. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs lip liner in Primrose. I will be going in with the Sephora Lip Stories, and this is in the shade 1. And last but not least, we got a mascara on my bottom lash, and we're finito. Okay guys, so this is the final look. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave any comments of any videos that you would like me to do, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
This is the soundtrack to my life. The soundtrack to my life. To my life. To my life.